Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Easy Craft Videos. I hope all my viewers are fine and doing well. Guys, I am back with another beautiful ideas about Christmas hula hoop centerpieces designs. Hula hoop centerpieces are looking so amazing, look so stunning and so adorable. All collection, all designs are so beautiful. So guys, if you are interested in this type of videos and in this type of collection, then your first priority to subscribe to my YouTube channel. All collections and all designs are so beautiful. The hula hoop with designs are the most trendiest videos are uploaded on my YouTube channel. If you are watching my YouTube channel, then you see all collection related to the Christmas are available on my YouTube channel. In this collection, you see approximately 50 plus ideas, 50 plus new creative ideas. If you like this video, share the video with your family and friends who are interested in the type of Christmas festival 2025. Ideas are so beautiful. In this collection, you see the lighted Christmas hula hoop with designs, and the centerpieces look so amazing. The table decoration is so adorable, looks so stunning, looks so stylish. Watch, like, and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, providing all the latest and the collectively ideas about the Christmas decor. Watch, like, and comment, and please subscribe